Welcome back to my channel, loves. For those of you who are new, my name is Carrie, and of course the name of my channel is Makeup by Carrie, right? So yeah, make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss anything. As you guys know, I'm all about good skin and skincare. My forehead used to be piled with pimples and blackheads and dark spots, so I've been really into skincare and trying to keep my skin great. If you guys haven't seen already how I cleared up my skin, I'm going to link that in the description box. It's also going to pop up over here. Okay, so look up there and click on that. So today is going to be a girls spa night, okay? I am going to be trying out for the very first time and giving you my honest opinion and review on this Double Dare. Oh my god, platinum, purple, silver, hot pink, and green. Because I read one and it said purple. I'm like, wait, they're not all called purple. But I'm going to be trying out the Double Dare, oh my god, platinum facial mask kit. Now, I did get this from Octoly. If you guys want to try out, if you guys want to get some, free items to try out as well from Octoly, I will put my link in the description box so you can click that and get your free products and try them out and all of that. I am going to give you guys my 100% honest opinion every time, whether it's good, whether it's bad. I'm just going to be real with y'all. It comes with this jet curl patch, and it's basically to lay down your edges and your hair or whatever. But I'm natural and my hair isn't really done right now, so it's gonna be hidden under this towel, honey. But yeah, these are really cool if you have long hair, but I don't really wear my real hair out often to use that, but that is a really cool thing to have. Okay, so basically I have 4 colors, and they're all like platinum, like like metallic like, which is really cute. Now all of them is for something different. We have the purple one, which is blueberry, and it's for pore tightening. I'm going to use the purple one since I want to tighten my pores. But yeah, and all of them come with the mask, right? This is the peel off mask. The first part of it is the Detox bubbling mask, which I'm going to try on, and then you get a serum pad at the end to wipe off any excess. So with that being said, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and try on my Detox bubbling mask, get the bubbles started. It says for this first step you can do it with or without makeup. Obviously you see I have on makeup, very simple makeup, but yeah, so I'm gonna put it on and I'm going to jump into this video. So this is so cool, like this is so fun. So it says to put it on and leave it on for 1 to 3 minutes, and it's going to start bubbling up. Let's get it popping, guys. Oh my gosh, it's like really wet and slippery. So cool. You know how like when you get your stuff in your mask? Why are you watching me? You know how like when you get your stuff in your mask and you don't want to touch it because you don't want to take all of it off before you could even get it to your face? That's what I feel like is going on. Like I'm trying to be extra careful, but I need to open this sucker so I can get it on. Oh, that's the top piece. It's my eyeballs. That's where my eyeballs are going. So there we go. And I see it bubbling up already. So let me get this Johnson on my face. It smells really good. I don't know what scent it is giving me, but it smells really good, okay? I look cute still. I still look cute. You see my makeup coming through? It's starting to bubble up. I see it. This is so cool, guys. This is the blueberry one, but it smells like perfumey. It smells really good. So we're just gonna let this bubble up, okay? 1 to 3 minutes. It's 8:39. I'm gonna take it off at 8. It just turned 8:40. I'm gonna take it off at 8:43. Okay, so it's been like 1 minute and I could start seeing the foam bubbles a little more. This is so cool. Why am I so excited over foams and bubbles on the mask? I can hear it popping too. It's like, no, it's not. It's like, it sounds like suds, okay? But I can hear it popping. It's so cool. So it is 8:43 and you can see I am bubbled up, honey. Yes, I am looking like a big suds ball. It's so funny because it said 1 to 3 minutes, But now that I see all these suds, I don't want to take it off. I'm going to leave it on longer to see if it's going to get even more sudsier. But I'm going to go ahead and follow the directions and wash this sucker off. So you're going to take off the mask. Of course, it said rinse off with water and pat dry. Oh, guys, so look at all my makeup in the back. And look at all the bubbles in the front. So this is what my face looks like. I am going to go ahead and rinse this baby off. So I'm guessing when it said you can do that part with or without makeup, obviously because it's strong enough to take off your makeup. And I would agree, it really is strong enough to take off all your makeup because most of it is gone. But of course not the parts that wasn't under the mask, and a little bit under my eye because I didn't press the mask all the way up under there, and just a few areas that I wasn't really touching. So I'm just gonna clean that up with my makeup wipe, and then I'm just gonna I'll just get as much as I can, honey. I'm just gonna leave my brows on because I like them. I'm so cute. I mean, ain't I cute? I'm so mad conceited. So the experience with the mask, I'm just going to say was fun. You know, it was really fun. I liked seeing the bubbles. It felt good and all of that. It took off a lot of my makeup. So that was like a plus. And then, so now we're going to move on to the colorful, funnest part of it all. I'm going to go ahead and open up the package for the peel off mask. And it says to apply a thin layer even all over your face. Let the formula sit on your face for 20 to 30 minutes to dry completely and peel off. Recommend to use with Oh My God standing mask brush. I don't have a Oh My God standing mask brush, so I'm going to use my own brush. Let me give me a nice clean brush. Where can I get a nice clean brush? So I'm going to use this brush. So here we go. Go hard or go home, girls. What the hell I'm talking about? You know how you do something and you think you cute, but it's like not something you can wear outside. Like I got my little towel on, like I'm feeling extra cute, but it's like, girl, you can't go nowhere like that. So you better just be cute to yourself. But yeah. Ooh, it's so purple and pretty. It's so metallic-y. Look at it, guys. Wow, this is so pretty. It's pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use my little Eco toothbrush, since it's like the flattest, one of the flattest brushes I have, and just smooth this out nice and even. It smells good. I don't know what it smells like. I feel like I smelled it before. Something florally, like it reminds me of something with flowers. But I can't make it out completely. But it's real. I know what it smells like. I used to go to a school named Avita. It's a beauty school. Cosmetology school, I should say. And everything in there was natural products. So it smelled like fresh floral and just everything fresh. Like floral and fresh lemon and fresh orange and lavender, and that's how this smells. Real nice and fresh and natural. It smells so good. So I'm gonna speed up and I'm gonna go ahead and apply this as evenly as I can across my entire face, and then let you guys know how I feel about that process at least. Okay, so I got this mask on. I think it's really pretty and it hasn't even dried yet. So I'm feeling like it's going to become more metallic as it dries. You know, just like shiny and stuff. And it smells good. It feels good. Like my face is really flexible. Doesn't feel tight yet. I don't know if it's because it's still wet or not or whatever. But I like being able to move my face. So we'll see how it goes. So I'm going to wait the 20 to 30 minutes. And we're going to see what happens and how it feels and, you know, all that good stuff. So, yeah. Okay. So, I'm talking like an old lady, right? No wrinkles. So, it's nice and tight. I know at first, I don't want to talk too much because I don't want to ruin it until I peel it. So, it's really tight because I know at the beginning I was moving my face and I was saying that it was really loose. Obviously, it was wet. So, I was right. So it's really tight. It's very metallic and pretty. And it is dry. It's been about 30 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and peel it off. You know how you just want to get the perfect peel when you mess with these masks? It never works for me. It always comes out in bits and pieces. But I'm going to try my best today, okay? Oh, this stuff is official, honey.
Yo te la traigo de Coupé, de Vega Baja y de Santurce, de toda parte de Puerto Rico. Esta bomba yo la dedico.
Woo! Got my mask off. So this is like the first time I was able, I still had a little bit of makeup on, but this was the first time I was like officially able to peel my mask in one piece. Like I've never been able to do that. But yeah, so I did that. Really, really dope. I see some of my little blackheads that came out. Don't know if you guys can see it from here. You definitely probably can't. But I can definitely see some blackheads that was taken out of this area, because that's my problem area and that's where my large pores are. It's very, very rare that I'm able to minimize my pores in one sitting because they're so freaking huge. I believe this is the mask for minimizing pores. Hold on, let me just double check. Yeah, this one is the pore tightening. So I've never been able to tighten my pores or minimize the appearance of my pores in one sitting because they're so freaking huge. So I still see them, but I will say it does look a slight bit smaller or tighter, I should say, than usual. But it still wasn't there yet. So I probably would have to do a few more of these masks to get it to where I really need it to be. But overall, it did an amazing job. So I like it. It was a fun experience. I'll probably, like I said, use this purple one a lot more for my pores, but I'm also going to try out the other ones, or whatever like that. So you guys can follow me on Instagram at makeupbycarrie_, so you can just keep up with how I like those, because they all do something different, as I explained before. But I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this up by doing the very last step, which is using the serum. So the serum pad, which is basically an anti-aging pad. So we're gonna go ahead and move on to that, and it's supposed to just help you remove the rest of the mask that you weren't able to get, and to add a little bit of moisture to your skin as well. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, okay? And then we'll be done. So this is it. Feels actually kind of dry though. Well, whatever. Yeah, it's a moisturizing serum for a smoother finish, and it does get off the rest of it, so I can stop pulling it the way I was pulling it. I can't see back here. Okay. So yeah, it's getting it off. And it just says to rub it all over your face. Okay, so I'm all done. My face feels nice and refreshed. This serum smells good too. Everything smells really just like natural and fresh and just good. So that is it for this review. The foaming mask, I really, really liked it. It smelled good. It felt good. It got off most of my makeup, so it does kind of give you a nice, good cleanse. The peel off mask, this specific one, I have really, really large pores. It did take out some blackheads, which is great. Girl, my pores are huge. Just not going to get it all in one sitting. But it did really good for just one application. But like I said, I'm going to keep using it. And then the serum pad, yeah, it's great. It got off the extra stuff or whatever. My skin feels really great. Not much to say about it. It's just that is it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. It was just supposed to be something real fun and cute while exploring something new. I am just rambling off, so I'm going to go call it a night, and I'm going to sleep because it's actually dark and late now and I'm tired. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Comment down below your favorite techniques or masks, or what you do to clear up your skin and keep your skin great. And thank you for watching again. Good night and love you. Bye.